Hello and welcome to the channel. We're just going to have a little walk around this Subaru powered Volkswagen T2 bay window Westfalia. Look down the offside there, look how straight that is down the side. You don't find many in condition like this. It's absolutely out the box. This was restored 6 or 7 years ago by a well-known VW restorer. All done with new old stock Volkswagen parts which he sourced from all around Europe to do this. As you can see, it's super straight. Just coming round to the back there, we'll just have a little look in the engine bay. Look how tidy and neat it is in there. Let's have a little listen to this Subaru motor. And we'll just have a little look coming out of the engine bay there, down the side, the rear of the offside there. She's sat on white walls and steels. This has early overriders on the bumpers as well, which everyone seemed to think they were wrong, but they're not. We're just coming back round to the near side here now. Just have a look inside. This has an original SO67 Westfalia interior. Down to new old stock, original curtains, the net, and we'll just go over, looking over the front seats there. And coming round into the front of the cab there, if you have a look at the dash and the seats, you can see they've all been done with new old stock parts. And we'll just show you the floor pan under the cab, absolutely outstanding. Front arches are all nice. And at the rear now, we're just going to lift the tailgate up, look at the bottom of that tailgate, not a bit of rust in sight. Let's have a little look under the rear mattress here now. As you can see, out the box like new. Outstanding vehicle throughout.